Hello, welcome to Lando Bricks. I've been spending some of the money that we managed to achieve in Plymouth,
Yeah.
and Owen, my son here, doesn't know what I spent any money on, so it's all going to be a surprise to him. So I'm going to take over from the camera in a minute and see what Owen's reactions are. What do you think I spent my money on, Owen?
I don't know. I just know that we have quite a lot to unbox here. I don't know at all what you've spent anything on. Genuinely, I do not know. I think we're just gonna have some Lego. I think we're gonna have a big thing: Lego Star Wars, Lego City, Lego Marvel, Lego Lord of the Rings, the entire thing, Lego Sonic.
If there was any specific set you think that I would buy, what do you think it would be?
There are a lot I think you'd buy, and I think there are a few that I think you wouldn't. My brain, I'm going off. I don't think you buy any buildable figures because, I mean, you guys in the comments know what happened to them. You viewers know. But I think you'll buy a few more smaller like brick heads or like littler things, because then there are more, or like little pricey things. I think I'm not sure.
Okay, well, shall we get to the unboxing?
Absolutely. Okay, so I've got my trusty scissors, ching ching, and so I am going to be unboxing this one first. So let's get into it. I'm gonna put that down. I don't really want to kill myself. Okay. Oh, okay. So here we have a troop carrier, the 25th anniversary. Like when you bought so much money of Lego sets, you'd get this as like a gift for purchase. Okay, so that's that one. So, we have got another one here. Alright, I'm going to just chop this one. Okay, so again, I have no idea what these are. And if you do like the video, please leave us a like. We love you and stuff. So we really love like a like to show support. Okay, so we have a piece of paper. Very interesting. And we also have a Wookiee microfighter. Very interesting. Is there anything else? No, nothing else. We've got a new one here. Okay, this one is. So these are really different sets, and I thought we'd have a few Lego Star Wars ones. I didn't know how many we'll get, so this is very interesting, not just for you, but for me too. And it's just a very cool thing. We're going to come up with a few of these every now and then, just because we have a little bag. Oh, we love bags. Is there anything else in there? No. Buckets. Anyway, so now we have this little. We have a sorry, that's safe. Better safe than sorry. Okay. Let's see what we have.
Thank you, eBay seller.
Another really nice microfighter. This one is really good condition. Series 4. This one's Series 3? Yeah. So this one is really good condition. It's amazing. Okay, the next one is this one, and it's already torn because it was bad shipping. Nah, we're joking. These have been sat in our house, and my mum and his wife have been asking us to finally unbox them for you lovely people at home. So, we thought, wow, we'd do that today. Ooh, okay. So we have some bubble wrap, and I know what this is. You guys know what it is? Oh, I love this bubble wrap. Just have to cut it open. There we go. Now, this is part. This is a great condition. Oh wow. So this is part of the 20-year fig lineup. It was parts where we had Darth Vader, Lando, Luke, Leia, and this one comes with Han. It is the Imperial Dropship 20th anniversary. I love this one. Probably my personal favourite. Okay, so I'll just take my hoodie off. I'm a bit hot. Okay, so next one. This one. It's cutting through the newspaper. Anyway, so this is great packaging, by the way. Guys, if you didn't know, we spent like a few minutes trying to actually get into this. Made no progress. So. This part is tricky. There you go. You've got the newspaper.
Don't need to know what's in the news.
There it is.
What we can say is that this eBay seller really did pack well.
And it probably. There we go. And look at this. This is the old Speed Champions Porsche with a yellow minifigure. That shows you it's old. Well, I mean, they still make Lego minifigures, but not like this. This is a good one to have. Okay, so I got a new one. That was over there. This one is like a foamy bubble wrap kind of thing.
It's been very well packed.
Yeah.
He's still going at it.
It's stuck to the bottom of the box, so it's coming out.
Yay.
Got it. I've lost a few hairs in the process. So probably didn't notice it. And there's some glue stuff. Okay, so let's pull our scissors, crusty dusty scissors out. Crusty dusty scissors. Trusty dusty scissors. Cut across this cross. And this is Christmas.
But can you see what's on the side of the box, Owen? On the other side. No. Other side, face you. No, side of the box. Not that side of the box, the other side of the box. Other side. No, still got not. The only side you've not looked at. What's it got written on the bottom?
Oh, it's the 30th anniversary ACST. Took me a while to realise it, but it is. That is a really cool set. Oh wow, look at this. That is one cool thing. Wow. So, the next one.
More modern stuff, this one.
Yeah, this is the Amazon Prime. I am trying to open it, and this one's a really tough box. Whew. And my arms will work out there. And close that. Cut. Like that. And carry on cutting. And pull that apart a bit more. That was a tough one, and we've got a few sections. We have the Mandalorian Battle Pack. We have I put this on the floor. I'll just pull it out. We have the Hogwarts Castle Boathouse. Okay. We have a Visual Marvel Encyclopedia with an Iron Man figure somewhere inside, which is the new Iron Man figure, not the old ones. No, the ones with the helmets. And we have another one of them. We have two Marvel Encyclopedias. Nothing else in there. And these are epic. Okay, so I've got my scissors. I'm going to open this next one. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 ones left. Bubble wrap. I don't like cutting open bubble wrap. Smells like bubble wrap. Interesting box. We have the Pirate Stealth Fighter from Mandalorian. Welcome back to Cooking with Owen. Today we're making brownies. No, we're going to be unboxing Lego. we've got apparently 12 Lego boxes inside of this. 12 units. Wow. Ripping all good.
Those cookies must have been tough.
Yeah. Are they cookies or brownies? Brownies.
Oh, brownies, sorry.
Brownies.
It must have been one hell of a tough brownie.
Yeah. Oh, get out of the way. Okay. So, just going to give that a little chop.
So it's a smaller box again, isn't it?
Yes, it looks like it. Oh no. There we go. So, let's pull it out.
What do you reckon it might be?
No. Brickheads or one of, like a microfighter.
Okay.
The rain is pouring it down. As you can tell, we are definitely in the United Kingdom.
Let's have a look, see what's in there.
And I was right. It is a microfighter. Bit beaten off. Oh boy. From Series 2.
So going back.
Yep. We're going back in time, ladies and gentlemen. First feat of the century. Yeah.
Right, so what we've got is, if you want to pull the other one forward,
This one.
we've got a Series 4, Series 3 and a Series 2. Right. And some of these will be at the next fair we're doing in Exeter.
Yeah, so if you want to come see us and you live in Exeter.
And that's on the 3rd of November.
Yeah.
And that's the, what is it? The Brick
Festival.
Festival.
We have got a few more festivals maybe to go to this year, but we'll have to see if any tables come through. Oh. What? Okay. So, I'm going to chop this corner off. Don't mind the little... I left that in for comedic effect. This one's a tough boy. I can't... this might be a girl. You never know. Depends who shipped it.
As long as it's not as tough as the brownies.
Yeah, no, yeah, we don't want tough brownies, do we? Oh, that one was quite a nice one there. That's a smoothie boy. We have got the Lego. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Anyway. Let's do that. And then break it open. That. We have got the Imperial Armoured Marauder. We have built this one. We've done a few. We're going to do a few more like videos on this where we build Lego sets and like test them and show them to you and like tell you how we think of them and stuff. So that'll be good. Anyway, on to the next part. So I started taking the cart off. It's quite tricky. You don't want it to be like 5 hours.
Pesky tape.
Yeah, exactly. So we are going to be, there we are. We have some orange tape.
Don't do this at home, children.
No, We are trained professionals. Professional?
Professionals. Yeah, he's not been trained in using scissors, really.
Did it?
I can say that the majority of people that we bought from eBay, the majority of them, their packing was absolutely fantastic. There's one or two that were a bit rough, just boxed up and really nothing else. But fortunate enough, those boxes managed to make it through the post without hardly any damage on it. So swings and roundabouts, I suppose.
Yeah. This one is
Well packed.
Because it's all sellotape. Really, is already covering it up at the moment. So I'm going to try and tear it open and see how it goes. I'll just pull it up.
No.
Well,
Why don't you cut down the sides?
That makes sense. See, as you can see, I'm definitely a smart person. Not. If you don't get my British sarcasm, then
Right. We got still managed to fight his way into it. I'm not sure. I can't remember exactly what's going to be in this one. It's got good packing though.
More cardboard. And some more. We have a 501st Legion Plain Truth Battle Pack. And I will open this. This is great. Like, packaging. There we go. Do not try, if you are unboxing stuff, do not try and use scissors like this. Because these will cause damage to your fingies. Dangerous. Magic. So we have here 501st Plain Battle Pack.
Looking good.
And as you can see, there's in the Skywalker Saga. Now maybe dropping a few more, like we may be dropping a few gaming videos. I'll leave you on I'll tell you about them. This is a box from Lego.com.
And you don't need to cut it. Because convenient enough, Lego boxes, if you follow the stripping on it, you can actually find the end and pull it open.
This way. Oh, okay. Let me turn it on its side, and I will see.
No, it was best the other way up, actually. If we turn it round this way, and we can see this stripping here. Find an end. Not quite exactly how it's meant to work, but you sort of got the drift. That's it. Just get your fingers under that one. They're not normally this difficult to undo, honestly. Right. Okay, turn it round the other way then.
How will it open?
I think the ripping starts there again, just here.
Yeah. I know how.
Right, and then the final one on the bottom.
I'm gonna turn this round. I'm gonna reveal it. All the sets. Slowly. Because I want to create tension.
He's in.
We have a Dreams Pegasus Flying Horse. Lego Hartness. Or not, I don't care. We have a Friends River Camping Adventure.
Gift with purchase.
Gift with purchase. Oh, little.
Next up.
Next. Oh, whoops. We have got a moving truck. Gift with purchase, I'm believing.
Yes, with a special code that was available for a short period. Is it a dusty box?
Yes.
Has it got dust on it?
Yeah.
It's been stored round the back. Right. What else have we got?
Let's have a look. Shall we? We shall. We've got Lord of the Rings. Arwen and Aragog.
Aragorn.
Aragorn. Oh no. I can't hold it.
Okay.
You've got Frodo and Gollum.
Mm-hmm.
Princess. We have. Oh, there's that. That's the one I was looking for. We have Gandalf the Grey. Oh man, what? And the Balrog. We have another Arwen and Aragorn. Apologise if I pronounced the names wrong. We have Gimli and Legolas. And another Gimli and Legolas. We have another Gandalf the Grey and the Balrog. And the time you've all been waiting for, the biggest set we bought, is the Dreams Stable of Dream Creatures. Rawr.
And it's now empty. Right, we'll just stack all these up and so you can see what we've got. Through the magic of editing, we'll sort that out now. Hi, yeah, well, as you can see, we've stacked up all the boxes now. They're here. Star Wars on this side. And gradually moving across, we've got the Harry Potter set, I should say. And also the brick heads. They stack very well. And as you can see, I managed to stack them quite high. We've got the couple of gift with purchase. Then on to the 2 dream sets, the old Porsche, and also the visual dictionaries, which we'll be looking to sell at our next outing, which will be 3rd of November down at Exeter, Brickfest. And well, enjoy your day, and we hope that we will get to see you then, when we'll have some Lego for sale, and hopefully the Lego we've got will appeal to what you're looking for. Thanks very much. Bye.